Item D. How to assemble lift-up outlet flush valve system. Accessories: empty system, cover, wall bracket complete with accessories, overflow net, float, ball valve arm, lever handle and lever connector, lift-up outlet valve, white base seal, hexagon nut, round nut, low-level bend pipe and inlet connector. Place the rubber washer with the protruding side inside the valve and insert the valve to the bottom of the system and tighten with the white nut. Screw the float to the arm. Install the arm to the right side of the system and tighten with the nut. To install the lever handle to the outside of the system front first, slide in the lever handle holder, tighten the holder thereafter, install the lever handle. Connect the L pipe as indicated. Clip on the overflow net. Hook the lever handle link to the siphon hook to activate. Close the system with the cover provided. Maintenance tips: detach the valve body from the base by anti-clockwise. Remove the silicone washer by gently pulling outwards from the connection. Gently clean with water only the dirt deposited on the silicone washer, then refix to the washer slot. Reattach the valve body to the base by clockwise and enjoy leak-free flushing every time. For your information, above silicone washer is usable for both sides. To achieve the required volume of water, adjust the float arm screw and jam nut if necessary.